Good morning, guys. This morning we have an install at Corey Rogers Performance Horses over in Morriston, Florida. And we're about to now put this custom box together. We want you guys to see the process and to be involved. Let's go. Galvanized black box locking. We got our screws, we got raised black numbers, and we got our lumber. There you have it. I got the keys to this new locking box. This is a pressure treated pine made by 1x6s. There's a 4x4 here and a 4x4 here. And then it's framed out in 1x6 pressure treated pine. You have galvanized numbers raised. The posts are cemented in. Then you have a locking box. So this locking box is pretty special. You have the mail that goes in the front here, and it pops down into a locking area that you need a key to grab your mail from. What's awesome about this is it's raw wood. So you can come through, you can stain it, you can paint it, you can do whatever you want. You take the numbers off and you stain it, paint it, and it's ready to go. Kingdom Mailbox Solutions. Appreciate you guys. See you on the next one.